nice herd of elk. Looking delicious. I know a few people who have a llama with their sheep, and they've had trouble with their llama, and their llama is aggressive, and their llama is just not working out, and they wish they never had a llama, but my llama is excellent. My llama is very gentle with the lambs. My llama is never aggressive unless it's to strange dogs or coyotes. My llama is a good llama, and I'm glad I got him. All right, here we are the Thursday just before Easter, and I got the sheep all penned up in here, and shears are on their way, should be here within the next 20 minutes or so, and we're gonna shear them. Of course, the hair sheep like that one there, and that black belly, and oh, you there, you won't need shearing, but you know, it's easier to take the whole group than to try and separate out just the woolies. So yeah, here they are, looking at me wondering what the heck. They'll find out soon enough. All right, everybody's sheared, shorn, I guess. Now we'll try and move them back through the barn and back out to pasture. Let's see if the one makes a leap. One goes, they'll all go. Come on now, you can go. Come on. Come on. Psst, psst, psst. No. Come on, you guys. Hey-o. Come on. I just need one to go. You know what, if I didn't want them to go in there, that's the only place they would go. But because I want them to, they're just on the edge. Come on, get up there. I only really need one, and then they'll all go. Come on. Come on. Here we go. It's half in. Maybe I need to do something a little different here. Come on. Okay, now we're getting a bit of progress. Oh, that was a mistake from when I was trying to lure him in. I thought this will hold him in here. Now it seems silly. All right, come on. Let's go, everybody. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. You, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on, sheeps. That's the beautiful thing about sheep. You only need one to go, and then you get them all. Come on, sheepy sheeps, little guy. Oh, I just want to get behind you guys. Okay. Get the stragglers. Come on. Come on. Come on, sheep. Oh, that's Lambo, the blind one. She can just stay here. I'll deal with her in a minute. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Uh-oh. That's not where I wanted them to go. They were supposed to go through their little gate there. There we go. Now they're starting to get it. Everybody goes. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Oh, you found some grass, huh? And there they go. Back to their bales and their llama. And they're happy. There's the mama and the baby. Doing great. Here's everybody else back to their bales. Looking nice and clean and shorn. That's better. Ready for the spring weather. We had a little blast of winter last week. Got a bit of snow, but now they're talking about 10-degree days every day. So they're ready for lambing. It's going to be good. Oh, and that guy's not shorn because he's one of the rams, and he was just a cleanup ram. And along with the weathers next week, he's going to market, so there was no point in shearing him. But everybody else looking nice and clean, ready to start bagging up and having lambs. Should be May 26th. And of course the Katahdins, they didn't need to be shorn. They will shear, or they will shed their wool. Probably in another month or so, they'll start losing their wool. And so they didn't need to be worked on. But some of these mamas are looking pretty big and round, aren't you, huh? It's nice to have that job done.